And that's the view from my bedroom at this Airbnb here in Manila. That is right behind me. Over in that area is Makati, which is an affluent area here in Manila. So I am in Metro Manila right now, and I just wanted to show you that view because I thought it was great. So that's why it's really dark on me and really light out there. So here's a cool feature of the unit. Alexa, bedroom light on.
Okay.
And there we go, like that, lights. Kind of got to wait for a little bit. And that's one of the things that I figured out since being here is I am not a fan of keyless entries. You try to walk away from the unit and it's still open for like 90 seconds after you walk away from it. So you kind of have to sit there and wait for it to lock before you can walk away. And then another thing that I figured out while I was here is that it's very difficult to set up a SIM card for your phone here. So, like, have a picture of your passport ready, know the address of the place you're staying, have proof that you're staying at the address that you're staying at, have proof of your return ticket to wherever it is you're going, and jump through a bunch of hoops. And it's just, you don't know what to expect. It takes forever. And since that's the first time I've ever done a new SIM card anywhere in the world outside the US, it was kind of a process. What else? That's about it. Been here a few days. Oh, so I'm traveling with new camera equipment, and I got the new Sony ZV-E10. There you go. And it takes like a special SIM card. And the first few days that I was here, I think it took me about 4 days to fill the SIM card that I had. And then I realized none of the SIM cards that I have would work with that camera. I got like a SIM card with the camera, so that one worked. But then the ones that I have don't work. So I had to go out to Glorieta, which is one of the malls here, and find a place that had SIM cards. So I got that taken care of, so I'll be able to shoot some video again, which is nice because that's kind of one of the main reasons I'm here, is to do some travel footage. I always try to find a balance with that because it's hard for me to film sometimes because I just want to kind of experience the process of traveling and the process of being somewhere without the hassle of feeling like I need to film it and then later edit it and produce it and upload it and all that. I just want to enjoy what I'm doing. And so I'm kind of glad this is a long trip. I'm going to be here for 3 weeks total. So I have time to do a lot of the things that I want to do and to make some videos, but to also kind of just relax and enjoy my vacation, because that's kind of what vacations are all about, right? Getting away from the day-to-day grind and just relaxing and kind of doing your thing. And so that's what I'm trying to do. I spent pretty much the entire day today just in the house chilling, setting up my Grab account, which is Grab is like it's like Grubhub and Uber and Pink Dot, if anybody remembers Pink Dot, all rolled into one, where you can just kind of sit at home and have all of your needs met through the phone. You want to get, I don't know, toenail clippers, you can go on there and they'll deliver them to you. You got to pay for it, but it's actually not that expensive. It was pretty cheap. I think I got dinner dropped off tonight for 500 pesos, 499 pesos, which is like $10 maybe. Which is probably about half or less what it would cost in the US. And yeah, so anyway, just wanted to kind of, show you that fantastic view out there of Metro Manila and the river and all that. And hope you are enjoying life and remembering to take care of yourself and rest and don't take on too much at one time. All right, that's about it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and crash. It's like 8:30 at night right now, so it's like really early. But I haven't got more than 6 hours sleep since I've been here, and that was like maybe 1, 2 of the nights. So most of the time I'm averaging about 4 or 5 hours of sleep, and I wouldn't call it jet lag. I'd just call it I don't know, something. My body's just not adjusting to whatever. And yeah, so all right. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll be back with you soon.